camshaft position sensor from a Defender TDCi Puma 2.4 is very dirty. This vehicle won't start. The cam sensor is located right underneath the fuel rail at the back towards the bulkhead. It's held on by one 8mm bolt. A comparison of old versus new. That's your new sensor fitted. Give your connection plug, give that a blow with some good electrical contact cleaner and make sure it's nice and clean. Going on to your new one. Underneath the turbo, okay, down underneath the turbo, the exhaust manifold there, and there it is in there. Can you see that little stud down there? And it's concealed underneath a heat shield. It looks like that. Okay. Now I broke my heat shield taking it off. It's on a little latch which you kind of undo from the bottom and flip over, and I learned that when it was all too late. Okay. But there's your crankshaft position sensor located down there on that 8mm stud. You just unwind that lad and pop it out.